to install BHghost, make sure you have downloaded the plugin folder. You'll see some icons that they have provided us with and the mel script file. Then you want to go into the scripts folder in the documents, then Maya 2018 or whatever version you're using, prefs and scripts, and not the root folder Maya folder. Copy the BHghost mel file in there and whichever icon you prefer. Then you open up Maya, open up your script editor, copy the code into the script editor, make sure you're on mel file, either drag it to the shelf or do save script to shelf, name it BHghost, press OK, and then you have the button here. To get an icon, edit it, go to shelves, and select your icon that's in the scripts folder we just posted, and then select save, and you have it there.